Hello, kids. Let's learn the letter D. D is the fourth letter of the alphabet. Say it with me. D. Da, da, da. D is for dog. Woof, woof. The dog loves to run and play. Can you say dog? Dog. D is for duck. Quack, quack. The duck swims and splashes. Can you say duck? Duck. D is for drum. Boom, boom, bang. Tap the sticks, play the drum. Can you say drum? Drum. D is for door. Knock, knock. Open and close. The door goes creak. Can you say door? Door. D is for doll. The doll wears a pretty dress and smiles. Can you say doll? Doll. Let's say them all together. Dog, duck, drum, door, doll. Great job.
But wait, there are even more D words. Ready to discover and savor together. Let's go, friends. D is for dinosaur. Roar, roar. Big and strong, stomp, stomp through the land. Can you say dinosaur? Dinosaur. D is for donkey. Hee-haw. Helpful in time. Carrying loads with care. Can you say donkey? Donkey. D is for dolphin. Splash, click, click, jumping high above the sea. Can you say dolphin? Dolphin. D is for desk. Sit and draw or read, learning every day. Can you say desk? Desk. D is for dessert. Yummy ice cream, cake, and cookies, sweet and tasty. Can you say dessert? Dessert. Let's say all our D words. Dog, duck, drum, door, doll, dinosaur, donkey, dolphin, desk, dessert.
Wow, you are amazing! Now let's sing together. D is for dog, D D dog. D is for duck, D D duck. D is for drum, D D drum. D is for door, D D door. D is for doll, D D doll. Yay! You did it! Clap your hands for learning the letter D. You learned so many new words today. Dog, duck, drum, door, doll, dinosaur, donkey, dolphin, desk, dessert. Great job, little learners! That's all for today. Next time, we'll learn the letter E. Bye-bye, kids. See you soon.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kids Cartoon Bonanza.